Good morning. Here, once again, I welcome you back in the lecture on drafting memos. In the previous lecture, we had discussed what is the purpose of writing memorandum, how it is communicated to the members or the workers or the employees working in the organization. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the format of the memorandum, or in short, memo. Memo has two parts. Header is there at the top. In the header, the name of the sender is written, and below that there is the name of the recipient. मेमो कोण पाठवणार आहे त्याचं नाव किंवा हुद्दा तो सुरुवातीला असेल टॉपला. त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्या खाली रेसिपिएंट्स नेम और द टायटल. रेसिपिएंट म्हणजे ज्यांना आपण हे मेमो पाठवणार आहोत त्यांचं नाव. देन यू फाइंड date and subject lines are also below the recipient's title. तारीख असेल, त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्या खाली असेल सब्जेक्ट, जे उद्देश काय, या मेमोचा सब्जेक्ट काय आहे. त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्या खाली असेल मेसेज. मेसेज मध्ये मग 2-3 भाग पुन्हा एकदा. सुरुवातीच्या भागामध्ये डिक्लेरेशन, व्हाट इज द मेसेज, and in the second part there is a brief discussion of the message, and the last is concluding or the summary part of that message. Then actually you have to make an introduction very shortly, and you have to mention the clear idea or the clear purpose of the memo. Purpose of the memo is written in a very clear sentence, that is a declarative sentence. Then discussion elaborates or lists major points associated with the declarative sentence. And then last is conclusion or the summary part. Here is the format of a memorandum or memo. It clearly shows that in the first part you can write a recipient's name 2, then the sender's name, include your name and title. Then you have to write date. Below that there is a subject of the memo. The memos does not require a salutation. In the formal letter or in any informal letter, you begin letter with a proper salutation, like dear sir, respected sir, dear ma'am, my dear father, etc. But in the memo, it does not need a salutation because it is actually not a letter, it is a document of communication, or it's a kind of note. So it does not require any kind of salutation. Then there comes body of the memo. You can start the body of the memo or the message in a very direct manner with a brief introduction, and this states the reason for writing the memo clearly. पहिल्या भागामध्ये अतिशय डायरेक्टली स्पष्टपणे मेमो कशासाठी आहे त्याचा उद्देश या ठिकाणी स्पष्ट झाला पाहिजे. And in the second part you find there is a detailed information to the reader. And the third part is clear closing and a call to action. Every memo has some purpose. Call to action is very important. Memo is given to the employees for a particular action. So its purpose should be fulfilled properly. Then we are going to discuss an example of a memo or the memorandum. You can see here the memo is given to or communicated to all employees in the procurement department. Memo is given to the employees, all employees. सगळ्या एम्प्लॉई साठी हा मेमो लिहिलेला आहे. कोणी दिलेला आहे मेमो? बॅरी बटनवूड, असिस्टंट मॅनेजर, स्टाफ ट्रेनिंग अँड डेव्हलपमेंट. डेट इज 21st June 2021. The subject of the memo is mandatory training for new software. विषय काय मेमोचा? तर नवीन सॉफ्टवेअर संदर्भात ट्रेनिंग, कंपल्सरी ट्रेनिंग. आता सुरुवातीलाच ट्रेनिंग कशा संदर्भात आहे हे सांगितलेलं आहे आणि गरज काय आहे त्या ट्रेनिंगची हे देखील स्पष्ट केलेलं आहे. You are all aware of the company's recent adoption of new supply chain management software. The company invested in the new application to improve communication with our vendors, enhance order tracking, and reduce delays to the barest minimum to save cost and boost efficiency. In the second paragraph, you can see when the meeting is going to be held and what is the main purpose, and everyone must attend the training event. We will hold a training workshop to familiarize department staff with the new software on June 13, 2021. We hope this training will allow everyone to make a smooth transition to the new application. All departmental staff must attend this training event. So, all the members, all the employees are here given a kind of notice to attend the training program. Here is another example to Fintech sales team, written from Janet Underwood, head of sales. Date is given, then subject sales quota achievement. सेलचा जो कोटा होता तो कोटा अचीव केल्यामुळं या ठिकाणी कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन, त्या टीमचं अभिनंदन करण्यासाठी हा मेमो त्या ठिकाणी लिहिला गेलेला आहे. I am writing to congratulate you on the commendable efforts and energy you put into delivering on your team sales quota for the last quarter. Your team showed exemplary product knowledge, customer service, negotiation skills, and collaboration that are worth emulating by other teams and departments in the company. Thanks for your dedication and commitment to excellence. We will send your bonus checks and letters of commendation by the end of the week. Congratulations on this achievement. So, in this way, you can see it is actually the memo on the occasion of completion of sales quota by a particular team, and it is a letter or it is a memorandum of congratulation. So in this way you can write memos to communicate the employees in the company. Sometimes the memos are given to the employees for their misconduct or the mistake done in their any work, and the company or any organization needs a kind of correction. So in such occasions also memorandum is issued and clarification is taken from that particular employee. So these are some examples of the format of the memorandum. In the next part we are going to discuss some tips for effective business memos. What are the important points that you have to keep in mind while writing a very effective business memo? So here we conclude this lecture with these words. Thank you.